This is the before of how the front porch used to look like. I'll leave the link down below for that video that we also painted the door in black, as you can see here. Now let's unbox my new modern door handle. Special thanks to Brightify for sending this beauty. It definitely gave my door a refresh. It comes with everything you need to install, and you're gonna see the process here as well. Easy to install, a beautiful matte black finish. Here's the installation process done by my husband, and he did this pretty quick.
If you're
New to my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Cindy, and on this channel I share a lot of home decor, home organization, some cook with me, clean with me, shop with me, all things home related. If you like that content, please consider subscribing. Okay, now that the door knob is installed, before I paint, as you can see, the previous doorknob was bigger with a different shape, but no big deal. I have black paint to paint this part. Now we are going to prep. So now while the paint is drying, let's add some decor. I'm